Hi, my name's Jürgen Hohen. This is a short thing on Zeffy. I love Zeffy, by the way. It's perfect for nonprofit. You should consider it yourself. Let's get to it. It's pretty easy to set up. Let's go. First off, this is your basic transaction details. Jürgen125 at Proton Mail, right? This was an example donation I made for the nonprofit that I used to volunteer for. So you can create a form. You link that form through Zeffy at no charge to your bank account. You want to make sure that happens. This is the main dashboard here, Jürgen Hohen. You can see up here, home, right? Forms, like you create a donate now form or sign up form and donate, right? Payments, what kind of payments? But you have to link it to your bank account and verify it, the usual, right? Contacts, meaning people who signed up, visitors, emails, receipts, and here are the bank accounts. So it's your basic setup. It's like Squarespace, but better and free, right? And here, down here, you can see the kind of templates you can use, which is perfect for nonprofits. An event invite. We're having a gala. See our art and charity auction, a thank you. Thank you for donating. Would you like to consider a monthly subscription or a fundraiser? We need another $16,000 to build a wheelchair ramp for our latest homeless shelter, right? For instance. And then on the upper right here, you can do a new email for it's a hybrid journey, but very limited. It's a one-off typically. And here, for instance, you can see the contacts here. You click on that. This is a contact. Jürgen signed up, meaning I signed up. This was a test sign up, right? A one-time donation of $1. That's how it shows, right? And under my face there, you can see referrals plus 300. And how much did I say? 5%. So this has a huge impact with nonprofits, because Squarespace, PayPal, they take 5 points, 3 points, 5 points off the top. If you're looking, say, for 400,000, 3 points is 3K. Actually, it's it's more. No, it's 3,000. Yeah, 3K. 3,000. So it makes a difference. And I like this app. It's super friendly, easy to set up. You have all the templates for the different events, and that's the key. And here's like an email. Thank you very much. This was Robert's Unsworth Foundation for your donation, stuff like that. Transactions detail, very straightforward, very straightforward. And here is what kind of form would you like to create today. It really helps you being not that familiar with this kind of tech stack, event, donation, peer-to-peer, an online shop, like maybe you want to sell the art made by kids, right? A raffle, a membership, right? An auction. You can have an online auction in Zeffy. That is cool. And that's it, right? And if you want to invite, say, your CFO, or you want to invite somebody else to run the tool, this is how you do it. You actually invite a new user. You can't, the CFO needs to control the bank access, but this works very well. And here's the Heritage Bank. You can see this connection. You can't see any of the confidential details, but this is how I set this up. And here again is the summary. Again, this very easy to see, right? So there you go. Thank you so much. Have a great day, and use Zeffy for nonprofits, period. Thank you.